is a way to make the human hair lay down when you're doing the rooting on the reborn, because human hair has the tendency to stand right up. So let me try to put this way. I'm gonna kind of show you guys, like, so what I do, I mold it. Where's my toothbrush? I mold it with a little conditioner and water, and you see that? When you take it off, it lays down. But yeah, human hair has the tendency to stand right up. So that's why I use these stockings when I'm done molding for the day. Rooting for the day. I take a stocking and a little bit of water and leave-in conditioner, and I'll take this and put it on. But I actually got my mohair that's en route. So I got the back done with human hair to kind of save on my mohair. I got the back done with human hair, and then the top, that's going to be the overlayer, that's going to be done with mohair. But that would be the way that you will make it lay down once you're done rooting the human hair. That would be the way that you get it to lay down, by putting a stocking on. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.